Welcome back to the booth. We're joined now by David Wu, Senior Engineer at HTC. David, thank you very much for being with us.
Thank you.
So what is the HTC Sense? I mean, do you consider it to be a custom UI?
Yes and no. HTC Sense is really, it's more than just, a lot of people say that it's a collection of apps and widgets, but it's actually more than that. There's actually a philosophy in how we design HTC Sense. We always put customers at the center when we try to design, come up with features. That's always the first step we think about. So if you look at HTC Sense, it actually provides a holistic user experience more than just customized UI. But yeah, technically speaking, it is a customized UI framework.
Now, can a UI unlock the various experiences that are sort of trapped within apps right now?
Yes, sure. It can. If you look at our HTC Sense, so for example, if you look at our home screen, some of our home screen widgets, you can do check-ins, you can do status updates, all from the home screen widgets, and that really ascends. You never need to go into an app to do that. So in a sense, you're no longer trapped in an app. You can actually do a lot of things outside of your app's context. So that really simplifies everything for the user.
Now, do you think that companies and developers should be thinking above the app widget level? So much of the focus seems to be on creating the app itself.
Yes. Speaking of that, you can check. I would really encourage developers to check out our OpenSense SDK. It's one of the things that we have done to make sure that developers not only think about their apps, they can think about what enhancements they can have in their apps. So a couple of things that we have in the OpenSense SDK is the Pen SDK and the stereoscopic 3D APIs for users. And down the roadmap, we also have some Beats API for users, so they can actually have their customized equalizer in their apps. And so yeah, that would be something really good for the user.
So last question for you: do you feel that Android's ultimate success is going to depend upon user experience?
I think so, because Android is an open platform, and the more going into the future, a lot more developers are going to contribute to the Android platform, and as that happens, there's going to be a lot more innovations, and that would definitely help hinge on user experience.
Right. Well, thanks so much for being with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for inviting.